Okay, let's take a look at what the stock market did today. Things are bouncing a little bit, but it does not mean that we are bullish. It just means that we are bouncing. It could just mean that we are pulling back after the big drop that we had recently. Tesla is up $2.56, closed at 144.61. Porsche market, we seem to be up a little bit, so there's a lot of frenzy because Tesla is having their earnings call today at 5:30. So the markets that might change post-market between now and then. But let's take a look at what happened today. So we are bouncing on our diagonal support line, which was traced since 2020, basically. So we are bouncing, but we are still into our downward channel. So we are still coming down. We can see that we are pausing, but we cannot conclude anything else. But look at the post market. We are at 155, so up $10. So this is just, this is pure speculation. We don't know exactly what Tesla is going to announce. If it's really bad, then it's going to come down real fast. In terms of the VIX is coming down. We are down 6.8%. So the fear in the market is coming down. It's coming down quite dramatically since the past 3 days. This is helping the stock market take a breather, but it does not mean, as I said, that we are into a new pattern yet. Bonds going sideways. US dollar coming down a little bit. This is a little bit expected because we have reached the top of our bullish channel and we are supposed to zigzag. So we are now zagging. And crude oil climbing up a little bit today. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So they are continuing their way up. See, we cannot conclude that we are going high right now. We are just back into our congestion zone that we left for about a week. So again, going sideways, even if we go up to 39,398, this is just a sideways move for now. SPX, this one is going down. We downward channel. Yes, it's a pullback, but we are still in this downward channel. This is still bearish. NASDAQ, we are pulling up a little bit also, but this is not a bullish move yet. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven. So let's start with Apple. So Apple has an earnings next Thursday. So far we are just going sideways. We are not lower than 165.49. So far, the buyers came back in and are preventing the stock to go lower. Amazon up 1.29%. We are still in the congestion zone. AMD, we are bouncing on support. ARM also bouncing on support. Google back into its bullish channel. This one is really all over the place. I will adjust my lines accordingly. This is what's happening right here. So we had a little bit of a move down, but this is no longer a move down. So if we break 161.74, then this is a buy. Between then, it's just going sideways. This is just noise. Microsoft still in its bigger congestion zone, bouncing on support at 394. Meta going sideways. NVIDIA still into its downward channel. This is still going down. Palantir bouncing. So you see, everything is bouncing on support. These supports mean something. SMCI still going down. This is still a bearish channel. SoFi, yes, a little bit of a move up. I would wait for 775 right here in order to get back in if you want to. We have stochastic over 60, so it would be a legitimate move. But if we buy here, we can cave into this one right here. So maybe this is just a move. If it continues, then it continues. Truth Social, as expected, we did not get stochastic over 60, so this move up meant nothing, and now it wants to go down. Marathon climbing back into its congestion zone. So this is just going sideways, nothing more. Open, this is just going sideways. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. So BYD going sideways. Lucid, little bit of a move up ahead of May 6th for the earnings, but no stochastic, so we should not believe that too much. Neo Battery Material just going sideways. Neo going sideways. Novonix seems to be really respecting 211 and even more. It's stopping a little bit higher. Xpeng sideways. Rivian basically sideways. Bitcoin having a hard time. 67,288. And we have the stochastic that is having a hard time breaking 60. Ripple pausing also. Physical gold respecting support right here, support at 1792. So respecting support, this is still a congestion zone. Silver into the bigger congestion zone between 905 and 973. So yes, people have a lot of expectations for Tesla. We have Tesla right now at 154. Let's wait until we hear what Elon is going to say and then look at what is going to really happen in the morning. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.